Welcome back, guys, to another review. This is Kingston, and we're gonna review Grim Lock. Transform this guy. Wait, these they're hard to do. You'll pop these out. They're on a double hinge. Right here, it's a hinge and another hinge together. Right here. Okay, and then you'll fold the T-Rex arms down. Then you'll fold this up. Fold these down. Then you'll take his dino head, fold back, reveal his head. And then you'll fold the arms back. Then you'll turn these around. Then you'll come to here. You see this black part? You'll fold it up to make his hand. Turn it around. Fold this out. Okay, we're gonna come to the back and we're gonna split this open. Then you will fold the tail in. Then you'll pull this out around on it's on a swivel joint. Then there's a little tab here. I'm not sure you can see it. And there's a tab you can see here. That slot will go into here. Pull this out, around, lock it in. These do like to pop out. Okay. Yep, just like what happened to this leg. Let's get a little bit of force in this. And you have to get a little care and force. Then you'll fold this back all the way. Here's Grim Lock all complete. We're gonna do a review of showing off this guy, doing articulation, so bye.